Excellency, good morning to you, sir. We will now come to the position where you are going to unveil the flag, and the Honorable Minister responsible for local government and public works, Honorable Minister Chitando, will read the flag for you, Your Excellency. So, His Excellency the President and the head of the Chinese delegation opening the flag. Honorable Minister, may you please read the flag?
Thank you very much. The grateful ceremony. The heading of the flag, Your Excellency, is China Aid for Shared Future. Zimbabwe Parliament building was officially opened by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Head of State and Government, and Commander-in-Chief of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, Comrade Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, on 26 October 2023. Your Excellency,
Thank you very much, Honorable Minister Chitando. From there, we now invite His Excellency the President to cut the ribbon so that we now get the permission to enter this grand building in the name of the new Parliament building for the Republic of Zimbabwe. Your Excellency, together with the head of delegation from the People's Republic of China, here we go. Now we have gotten the permission now to enter the facilities and to enter the gigantic and iconic and landmark new